हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 9 फिजिक्स चैप्टर 1 मोशन के शॉर्ट नोट्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। व्हाट इज मोशन? ए बॉडी इज सेड टू बी इन मोशन और मूविंग व्हेन इट्स पोजीशन चेंजेस कंटिन्यूअसली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए स्टेशनरी ऑब्जेक्ट टेक एज रेफरेंस पॉइंट। Distance is the scalar quantity. Displacement is the vector quantity. Distance traveled has only magnitude, whereas displacement has magnitude as well as direction. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. A body has a uniform motion if it travels equal distance in equal intervals of time. The distance time graph for a body having uniform motion is a straight line. Non-uniform motion. A body has a non-uniform motion if it travels an equal distance in equal intervals of time. The distance time graph for a body having non-uniform motion is a curved line. ये देख सकते हैं आप लोग, ये है यूनिफॉर्म मोशन का टाइम ग्राफ जो कि स्ट्रेट लाइन है, और ये नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन का टाइम ग्राफ जो कि कर्व लाइन है। व्हाट इज स्पीड? डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय एनी ऑब्जेक्ट पर यूनिट टाइम इज कॉल्ड स्पीड. Speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. S is equal to d by t. Speed is a scalar quantity. SI unit of speed is meter per second. What is the average speed? It is the ratio of total distance traveled to the total time taken. Average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. What is velocity? The distance traveled by any object in a particular direction per unit time is called velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Velocity is a vector quantity. What is average velocity? It is the average of initial velocity and final velocity. Average velocity u plus v by 2. Average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. To convert kilometer per hour in meter per second, we multiply 5 by 18 through the given value. To convert in kilometer, we multiply kilometer per hour, we multiply 10 by 5 through the given value. What is acceleration? The rate of change in velocity of any object per unit time is called acceleration. Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. A is equal to v minus u by t. Its SI unit is meter per second square. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Negative acceleration is called retardation. First equation of motion is equal to v minus u by second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. What is circular motion? If any object on a circular path, then their motion is called circular motion. What is uniform circular motion? When any object travels on a circular path with uniform speed, then their motion is called uniform circular motion. What is centripetal force? The force needed to move the object on a circular path is called centripetal force. Why the uniform circular motion is known by constant speed, but accelerated motion. In uniform circular motion, object moves with constant speed by the direction of speed. By the direction of the speed changes continuously. Due to change in direction at every point, its motion is called accelerated motion. That is why uniform circular motion is known by constant speed but accelerated motion. Circular motion v is equal to 2 pi r by t. थैंक यू, यही था शॉर्ट्स नोट्स आज के। प्लीज़ लाइक, अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक यू।